So this is the Sound Blaster Tactic3D Omega wireless gaming headset. It's cross-platform. It works with an Xbox 360, a PlayStation, a Mac, or a PC. All one headset. You plug it in via USB to your console, and then it'll just automatically wirelessly stream the audio. Also voice, so it's great for like Call of Duty or whatever. You can use it all, and it's all contained in a headset.
How is the mix with the game and the voice? Can you hear the voice when you talk?
Okay. Absolutely. So what this product does, this is called the Sound Blaster Recon3D, and what's particularly cool about this product is that really two things. The first is that it's the first hardware accelerated external audio device. So basically, it's all the power of a internal sound card. So like the Creative's famous Sound Blaster line in that device. No longer do you have to crack open your PC to have that hardware accelerated, all of the audio effects, THX2 Studio Pro, bass enhancements, voice effects, things like that. All can be done now on this device, and it's also cross-platform. So that brings me to the second piece, which is, for the first time, Sound Blaster sound quality is available on a console. So now we're the whole deal. We're PC, we're Mac, we're hitting it for everyone.
Okay. So,
no, go ahead. Ask.
No. So when are they going to be available?
So this one's going to be available at the end of this month.
Okay.
And this one is slated for September.
Okay.
And then in September, when this one launches, we'll have a bundle of these two products together.
Okay.
Because what we have back here is something called the Tactic Link.
Okay.
And when you plug this into the back of the Recon, it enables your headset to be wireless with an Xbox. Because you know how right now you need the control of the audio cable? You don't need that with this. So that bundle will retail for $249. The headset alone is $199, and the sound card alone is $129.
Okay. Wow.